Production.
Hello guys, andito po kami sa McDo kasi magre-reserve kami ng birthday ni Jaja.
What's up mga ko-right? Yes, nandito kami sa McDonald's para mag-preserve ng 7th birthday ng aking unika iha at of course ang birthday ng aking magandang misis. Yan, magkasabay po yung dalawang yan. Yes po, you hear it right? Magkasabay po sila ng birthday. Ito na nga guys, this is the day na magse-celebrate ang mag-ina ko dito sa McDonald's.
Welcome sa ating dalawang birthday. Ayan, hanggang malalim mo na everyone because now we're officially open our program. Isang katanungan lang po para sa lahat. Excited na po na sila? Excited na po ba kayo? Ayan. Dahil dyan, ang tatanungan tayo sa mga kids natin tulong-tulong kung ano ang kailangan gawin manicure. Ikaw kuya, sa tingin mo, ano ang gusto mong manicure para sa birthday ni Ate Jaja?
English speaking.
Right? Ayun. Alam mo ba? Ayan, i-search daw kung gaano kuya. Kasi magpakiulit ako ng tanong. Parang press na lang ako kaya change career. Sino ba? Ate Jaja? May siniguro ka ba Ate Jaja? Sino si Ate? Ayan. Sino po? Si Bea daw. Si Ate Bea. Where is Ate Bea?
Oh, si Bea daw, Bea.
Ayan, ate, ano pong gagawin natin sa party sa tingin mo? May idea ka ba kung ano ginagawa sa party? Maglalaro daw. Tama po yan, Ate Bea. Tama po ba? Ayan, Ate Bea, pwede mo bang batiin muna ang ating birthday celebrant? Nagpa-birthday. Grabe, napakahaba agad ng message niya. Ay, wala pa daw yun. Nagsistart pa lang. Tapos na. Okay, thank you so much, ate. You may now take your seat. Now, this time, katulad ng sinabi ni ate, maglalaro po tayo. And for our
It's bring me time.
Ronald says, Ronald says, let's sing! Excited na
White. White. Ikaw. Dalawa ba yan? Dalawa.
7 chocolates. Jaja's 7 friends dealt with chocolates and a sweet message.
Next, Agatha.
Thank you, birthday, Jeffrey. I wish you all the best. Stay kind and busy. I love you.
Ayan. Okay, pala po ka next. Susie. Next, Alex.
Alex!
Happy birthday, Jaja. Thank you for being my friend from Kinder to
Yeah!
Next naman po sa ating list, Ate Audrey.
Hey, Jaja. Thank you for being for me.
Ayan, thank you.
Happy birthday, Jaja. I love you so much.
For our 7th chocolate, may I call on Ate Sam.
Happy birthday, Jaja. This is your special day. I hope you have a good day today. Happy birthday, Jaja.
Ayan, please take...
7 roses. Jaja's 7 friends dot with roses and lovely message.
Okay. So for 7 roses po sa lahat ng kasali, ang gagawin niya lamang po ay ibibigay ang bulaklak kay Ate Jaja. So we'll give a short message po para kay Ate Jaja. So please be ready na lang po. Maraming salamat po. First off, for our list, for our 7 roses, may I call on here and John, Ate Bea.
Bow!
Thank you so much, Ate Bea. Next, Ate Gail.
Happy birthday, Jaja. Sana lumaki ng... Ang talino, maganda.
Thank you, Bow! O, sayaw na!
Ayan, thank you so much. Next naman po, Ate Angie.
Love you! O, sayaw! Love you! Oh, hug na. Okay.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ate Ashley. Grabe, naiyak si Ate Ashley. Pinalbunan niya kanina si Ate Ashley. Kuya Clark. Yes! Grabe!
Sayaw ka muna, sayaw! Sayaw ka muna! Sayaw!
Sasayaw niyo ni Kuya? Yung gangster pang gangster na. And thank you so much, Kuya Clark. Next naman po, Ate Charlie.
Charlie!
Ay, Kuya Charlie, sorry.
Happy birthday, Jaja.
Thank you so much, Kuya Charlie. Next, Ate Cyril.
Hi, Jasil. Happy birthday. Thank you for being my best friend. And thank you sa lagi kang kalit.
Grabe naman, tinignan tayo ng speech natin sa yun. Thank you so much. And last but definitely not the least, ang isa si Marga.
Si Marga na lang pala. Si Marga.
Happy birthday, Jaja.
Pakay po muna natin ang gift. Ang ating mga nagbigay po ng 7 roses para kay Ate Jaja. Ayan, I'm so sorry, Ate. You may now take your seat. Sino po ang may last na hawak ng banana? Thank you so much. Wow! Ayan, I'm so sorry. Sipat po ang pumindot. Hindi ako, okay?
And of course, Hindi Magpapatalo, the young at heart.
Okay, mukhang ready na po ang lahat. Sabay-sabayan po natin kantahan ng ating birthday celebrant ng isang masaya, happy birthday. Day to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yung mas malakas naman po, mas masigla. pink is, ayan po yung may na-blow your candle. Ayan, once again, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating dalawang celebrant, Ate Jaja and Mami Zane. Before po tayo, countdown. Kaya po ba mag-countdown into 10? Alright, Jaja, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
It's time to open her gift.